Hi, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to be teaching my bird to fly to my finger. So what you need to train your bird to do this is some treats, and the treats I'm going to be using are the seeds from beans, somewhere to stand on, and that's going to be his cage. Okay. Yeah. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to get a treat, and I'm not gonna open the door right now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open the door. I'm gonna put it in time lapse. I'm gonna open the door, and then I'm gonna hold the treat, and he's gonna fly to my hand. So I'm just gonna roll the In this clip, this is me holding my hand out and then giving him a treat when he flies to my finger. Okay, so now since I did that for a little bit, I'm gonna start to go a little bit further. So I'm just gonna push the cage back. And I'm gonna call him to my hand. Come here. Have a nice treat. And I'm holding the treat in front of my finger so you can see the treat. And there you go. And then he's gonna get the treat because he flew to my hand. After that, I did it a couple more times just so he could get used to me doing it further. Seeds from the peas. I'm going to the door. Yeah. And I'm going to call him to my finger. Yeah. And show him the treat. So he knows I have the treat in my hand. Okay, he's really interested in the cage door. Okay. Call him. And give him the treat. So again, now something further away. I'm just going to do this for longer. I'm just going to do this a couple more times, and then I'm going to move further and further and further. And yeah, that's how I train my bird to fly to my hand. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure you just keep on practicing until you ace this.